Pakistan is trying hard to revive terrorism in Kashmir. However, Pakistan's tireless campaign of unleashing terror inside Indian territory is being given befitting reply by Indian forces. Recently, proactive Indian defense successfully eliminated the top commander of Pakistan-backed terror group Hizbul Mujahideen in Kashmir. And it's not a one-off breakthrough, but the forces have been successful in busting all the nefarious anti-India plots hatched in the corridors of Islamabad and Rawalpindi. A report.
Indian security forces led by the Indian Army are jointly carrying out series of operations to uproot the Pakistan-established network of terrorism from the Kashmir Valley. The network received a huge setback recently as the security forces eliminated Chief Hizbul Mujahideen commander Saifullah Mir alias Ghazi Haider in an encounter in Srinagar on 1st November. A change in strategy of operations by Indian security forces lately has yielded it big breakthroughs. They are attacking the core, the leadership of the groups.
पुलिस को इतला मिली थी कल रात में इस घर में साउथ कश्मीर से एचएम का कमांडर डॉक्टर जिसको सैफुल्लाह बोलते हैं आया हुआ है। उसके बाद पुलिस सीआरपी आके कॉर्डन करते ही फायरिंग शुरू हो गया। बाद में आर्मी भी ज्वाइन कर ली। इनकाउंटर में एक टेररिस्ट मारा गया। हमारे सोर्स के हिसाब से ये लगभग 95% डॉक्टर सैफुल्लाह ही है। अभी बॉडी हम लोग बाहर निकाले हैं, उनके फैमिली को मिला के दिखा देंगे और आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएगा और बता देंगे आप लोगों को।
Saifullah had joined the Hizbul Mujahideen outfit in 2014. After the killing of Hizbul's top commander Riaz Naiku in May this year, he was heading the terror outfit in Kashmir Valley and was active in recruiting youth from South Kashmir. Close to some 900 terrorists have been neutralized by the Indian security forces since 2017 after the launch of the Operation All Out.
Security forces have already eliminated more than 200 terrorists, and more so precisely targeting the terrorist leader. I think is a very big achievement as for the security forces and the jointness which is concerned. And I would say with the elimination of the A++, the top leader of the HM in Kashmir, this will be a major jolt to them, and at the same time a major success to all-out operation by the security forces.
Jammu and Kashmir has faced decades-long violence perpetrated by Pakistan. To maintain peace and development, the government of India has given a free hand to its security forces to eliminate terrorists operating in the Union Territory. In this, the people in Kashmir Valley are also helping the Indian security forces to crack down on terror hideouts, and this has helped in executing a large number counter-terrorism operations carried out by the Indian security forces in the recent past.
I think this is a very big achievement by the security forces, and see, what is important is the way the information and intelligence of the terrorists is coming into the valley, the way public is supporting the counter-terrorism operation of the security forces.
In another breakthrough, Jammu and Kashmir along with the Indian Army busted a huge narcotics terror module sponsored by Pakistan on 3rd November. The joint team of the security forces recovered 4 kg heroin in Mendha sector of Poonch district, which falls close to the line of control. Use of narcotics for terror funding by Pakistan's ISI is being seen as a trick to avoid being traced back. But to its much disappointment and humiliation, even the narco-terror network of Islamabad stands exposed now, as the Indian security forces have upped their arms against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism at all fronts.
Since Pakistan is becoming broke, they are paying all their agents over here in India through heroin and other hard drugs. That way, they are ensuring that they are not traced back, the amount is not traced back to them, because after NIA started going after the money trail and arrested a lot of hawala handlers and a lot of traders also who were complicit with Pakistan ISI and Pakistan government in channeling the and funneling the money from Pakistan to the agents over here and the militants in Kashmir. They have now decided to use hard drugs as a source of payments, and this arrest of these 3 people is a proof to that.
The newly formed Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are witnessing rapid development since the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. The prevailing peace and development has frustrated Pakistan, and now it is trying all possible means to unleash chaos and violence in the region.